There are two brush caps that secure your tool's motor brushes. The plastic caps thread into the brush holders to hold the brushes in place. Most problems with the brush caps occur when they are being removed or installed. If a cap is over-tightened, the slots for the screwdriver can be stripped or cracked. Over-tightening can also cause the entire brush cap to crack in half. It is easy to cross-thread the cap and damage its threads. Replacing the brush cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brush caps. I'll use a large flat-bladed screwdriver to remove the cap. To install the new brush cap, I'll compress the brush spring into the holder. Now I align the post on the back of the brush cap with the dimple in the center of the brush plate. And tighten up the cap. As I tighten the cap, I like to turn it backwards first until I hear the threads click into place. Then I can tighten it up. This helps to prevent cross-threading the cap. And I want to be sure that I don't over-tighten it or I can crack the cap. Now repeat the process on the other side. And now you know how to replace the brush caps on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.